we are going to see round function. So now normally if we apply, we can apply average on a sales. So we have a retail store table which have different sales, but I want to find out the average on average sales percentage. Okay, we have got this average sales. Okay. So now average sales of what is the number of rows? We will say number of rows. What is the number of rows? By 6, right? So now by 6 anyway, we found out by 6 and he has done. So now he got this much, right? Now he got this much. So now what we will say? Average. So now we want to find out the average. Now we found the average, but the value is more precision. But I want to do a round off using SQL round. What we can do? We can make it into a 917. How it became 917? Because previously it was 916.6. It is above 5 after 5. So that's why it became a 7, right? So now if it is a below 19.65, what will happen? If it is a below 19.65, what will happen? We'll see. Limit 4. It is 19.17. That will not happen. So we need to see. Okay. So now this way we'll find out around. We need to find out another way. Like we need to insert another data so that we will get a number less. So what we need to insert? We need to insert a data. So in that case, how we'll insert the data? Insert into retail store. Retail store. Retail store. Anything? Store name, comma sales. Store name, comma sales. Values. Come. Values. What is the values? What are the values? New area we'll take. We'll take a new area. What is another city? Pune. We'll take Pune. Of sales, we'll say 545. 545. Some number. 545. Some number and a transaction date. We'll say 28/02/2021. Yeah. Okay. We insert. We didn't mention the transaction date, so we'll say transaction date also in the TXN date. Transaction date. So now this is a transaction date. So now what happened? We'll find out the average sales. So now whether the value came this is still above. So now we'll insert one more area. So Pune only we'll say 20th. Okay. We will say some 130. We'll reduce it. So done. So now average sales. What is average sales we have? Still is going above. This time it should come, say 100, and we'll go for 10th. Now it came to 69.7. So now if I apply average sales round, so what will happen? What will happen? It became 697. So that's the use of round function. So before to the round function, so what happens? So this will so from F5. So this is the table is there. So now what happens? Average, we can find out the average. I want to round off the value, so I can go to the round function, right? So if it is above 0.5, it will be +1. If it is in below 0.5, what will happen? It will stay to the original number, right? It will go. It will not go to the next number. It will stay with that number. Okay, it will lose the precision. So now you need to remember this particular point. What is the average we need to take? Okay. This is the average we'll take and we'll add into the table. Okay. So new slide. What is that? This is the round function. So round function. Round array. Okay, no problem. Round function. Yes. You should remember this particular point. Now, what will you say? The one. You will remember the data. No? So if I execute this, what will happen? This will become a function. So we will be losing a precision. We will lose the precision. That's the next.